चार्जिंग चल रही है। हेलो हाय एवरीवन फॉर जॉइनिंग माय स्ट्रीम शाइनिंग। आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है लंच पूल ES लंच पूल। ES1 going trade eclipse is Ethereum first Solana variant SVM L2. Eclipse combines the best pieces of the monolith stock with Ethereum statement, SVM executions, and Liquia for data availability. Each layer of Eclipse architecture is best in class and convenient, result in optimal performance. Eclipse is backed by leading investors, including everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Igalai for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, brother. UID for joining my live stream. Thank you. All Get user for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Mr. 3 for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Back up by leading investor, including Allwords, VC, VC, DBA, Milcointrad, and Paris, as well as industry leaders and clinic Nespath, BCM, Litia, Retail, Charata, Rebot VC, Inclal, Solana, Arts and Verify, and Betting, Cake, Flash Reports, and others. Start time 2025 07 16 0300 and time 2025 07 26 03 00. Ends time 8D 0555 31 minutes. BTC pool by staking 0 BTC. Airdrop received 0 ES. Project introduction BTC ETH ES. Total staking reward 500,000 ES, meaning period 10 days. Total rewards 919,000 ES. Total stake 207.92570 365 BTC. Igalai for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. Total stake 207,925 70 36 5 BTC. Participate 257.3 price pool Harley cap 2083.33 ES Unusual Harley Reward Cap 83.33 ES APR 2.29%. Unusual Staking Cap VIP 10 BTC. Rules. अच्छा साझा रुपया साझा साझा everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Get user UID and Muhammad for joining my live stream. The Eclipse performance this Bingian Lurchid Lanzer Podian or Villiers dispense and the Eclipse Live Team March 19, 2025. We have witnessed a tremendous amount of computational power becoming widely labeled super to a league exempt by the leads of LLM, LLM10 training and inference blockchain as a field has used for the benefited from the availability of hardware such as new powerful GPUs and various other hardware altcoins techniques such as FPGAs, Samaranais CS, etc. वगैरह 8 alpha. We are aiming to correct this rights, this high performance com- computing reset lies we refer to as compute. The LP's performance did focus on building the most performant SVM layer 2 blockchain with a new SVM client we call GSVM through a combination of software, hardware, to design process layer optimizations were known interference and remasking, selling, leveraging the required function of NL2 depart from the typical L1 design custom movers as a automatic pilot and take advantage of the design speed and cost of zero knowledge proof generations. Age looking patterns in their GSM and design principal competitions specific designer in clouds network Network near line speed processing probability confirms performance-based points, application-specific spying, and latency optimized transactions outing. Runtime self-improve database disk cases amazing return self-improve returning using referencement leading computables obfuscations hardware country of research inference and hotspots at where hardware connect database disk access minimizing all gains accounts access base and fast take commitment for lights clients. In the long run, all trade demands runs legal, social partners and can what GSVM as GIA computed time to delivers. Number one introduction the Google of help is it to deliver the most performant SVM layer 2 network although the SVM stack is already performance connected this providing stable strange points we take together advance of the unique operations that equals was a layer 2 chain that are not available in the L1 blockchain context in indeed and potential roll up accurately slaps inductive commotion from performance constables the former the fields with the help of fund proofs okay number one that flow outside periods to amount challenge if the ruler proper for this suspected of available completing simulate extract 2 3 so long as the physically data availability da layer optimatical da and l1 cost and re execution for further proof is not only this questions of security from performance as at heart of LPs. We LPs have a real opportunity to varying range of the same hardware progress and competition advance of the field of blockchain bearing this the LP's performance this reason 0.9. Everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you, Get User UID and Muhammad Get User UID for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Join Cheng Ying for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Computational electricity orders of mints more than central chains comfort to high blockchain exchange is part of what we call gay computes at ellipse of follow this guiding treatment for the RPGSVS clients. Number one, software hardware co-design. We that caliph software hardware co-design only unlock the fair from performance potential of modern blockchains. Blockchains in the rest of these discounts we will stick with the dynamic EX calyps running from shards NIC design device with support for layered line speeds, expenses very close on the network on custom sports of fast key value more stables with the help of Zone NVMe device and custom feeders who claim that redundancy on out of the books vendors will not achieve. Number two, course layers optimization for goal is to co-design the major three competence to the GSVM, talent and networking, team and strong to full track and as well to course layer optimizations operation for exam, play performance advanced sequencing. Sequencing can reorder transactions and signal the strong back and to perfect account data directly reading 10 still culprit with control urbanity squarely lead to near zero each misses. Okay. Number three, Walk 9 interventions. The design principles of LPs is to deliver the ability to run applications without infrastructures, IEF or DEX is range a scientific load. It should not dribbling and coming the ability for the users to play a chain game. The principle of non-infrastructure scale the is like speaking for some his hotspot and some applications. Okay, for the shoulders so that if sections and happen to multiply courses without much infrastructure family repiling on please double as the ensure political cases to all multiply hotspot adverting in preference we will. Dynamic linking and chain electricity. Our goal is to provide enough safety to sell application diamond growth. Yeah, might also sell together with diamond. This can be exploited by remotely adding more execution courses of developing industrial store and VMC win uh, the LP's performance. This is variation 0.9. Eliminations of layer 1 bookings LIS. Further Solana Polking layer. Fugger hardware requesting for nodes to Solana, Polkit, and Nair. New Derming application goes live is a form of horizontal scaling that can be activity alcohol across the layer of the system, including nodes occasions for strong advice. Our road goal is to deliver a new GSVM talent of the Alphys rollup based on this GSVM talent from the network of promoting the full stack. A more collected design can be found is special 1.4 limitations of layer 1 blockchain LI as similar to those how think of operating system in terms of hardware that was available in the 1980 S6 blockchain design have it largely black by what software on Verisy operating system and hardware platforms and service particular we above to major limitation in particle layers one design consume fox with area convenience is really as the fox and performance meant it work in part because the times achieve conditions and time is a deposit measured standards in the care of speeding up pronouns such as a Hartford family of logarithm 7, 11 needs, for example, local 12, 14, some of these ideas 10, 15 unlike this project we available that designation can be handled through conditions of other minutes. Okay. Our reliance on Gannish hardware although the required fairly sufficient account of computations active is further it available whether equal. The Barcelona does not the available CPU for the LPS performance. These were reason 0.9. Martin, why do need their compute? Everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you, ED83334 for joining my live stream. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you. Merits, why do need single compute? Certainly not maintain GPU cards. In fact, blockchain developers are not given even what a high-end phone would be able to enjoy in trans compute capacity. We find that most accuracy layer 2 blockchains have not gone behind the examples that are used by layer LSI Commission aims to left in Eclipse. 1.2 matrix. Why do we need Gaia compute? The choice of the performance metric for each we will optimize to meant some optimizations will impact some of them more than others. Therefore, that's why I have chosen bipartisan trade offer without required wanting no link behind our initial choice of metric. Okay. Latency. Latency, the first and most overwhelming metric response launch it is the one space of default maintenance means that tunnel extends most directly and it is helpful when trying to understanding little creation of applications such as on-chain gaming section 7.2 and light. Only in issue in which it is helpful thinking of the problem in terms of specific and of latency. A TPS transactions proper typically made sort in transactions per sound. TPS is the most widely decided metric, the metric invertible as computable where capacity optimization files on the companions with the lowest through capacity ensure is the most popular and frankly indeed framework of writing Solana program. It is the program is safe of a sign that the visit majority of Solana programs will release the ensure framework. The alphas performance this variation 0.9 band gas TPS is currently helpful thinking about continue performance specific impactly accent reach such as mythical by people at 12 and the Lobster and a logarithm family 9 release TPS training 100,000 with metric with Mastic highlighting Solana proof of history tour BFT, which means one tables of TPS that not all transactions are like there are many explained prefers that chat to numbers in cases of 1500 kTps, but this is option rewind transfer only as opposite 1617, for example, among another performance factors, we share some of the concern with belief that we should bearing more and Q to lead this design. 1.3 behind gas smart contract chains use metering to both competent in fractures operations and capture the on-chain grossing meeting along done as popular in the Ethereum ecosystem. We will borrow the returns from Solana and refer to compute CU various models the company system like which applies each meaning the executions of transactions and other processes, the ECT as and can and score operations. Transactions are pairs night limited weight and if the equal light spends the arithmetic, the transactions might be declined or incurred extra fees. This light-based fee model allowed for scaling at motions and emphasis. Behind gas, specific light occasions pursuing for database accuracies operations 18 computational must you see US in Solana Silver a similar purpose a gas in Ethereum but with key reference. Everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Thank you. Branches in their calculation and slide free structures of example we hunt many potent design Zoom 19 similarly to what is found in other smashing approach the high level time to successfully the computational often capable to process transaction including the scan to the flexible 2023 and the total CU computation determines its computations requires at least to prevent away process. Gas or CU based metering is currently better setting to sell single traded executions blockchain they are slower but not why their system like Eclipse the tech bank scale. Grande, posso फोन करायचा लागतो. माझ्या टोटल वाचणार. There is room or discords of operations that make it difficult to follow the Calpis designs principles by paying them higher. An example of this is turning of active looking Fortunes a plan of update the basic node on of CU to include the racing lines of computational. We give some mutations for this impact 7 for example one burn link LLMS on stop of LPS it is operator of use locant as a unit of message. GSVM design principles towards dense compute 1.4 GSUM design principles towards GIA compute behind the three overarching principles that enables to the performance to collapse one software hardware co design two courses layer optimizations number 3 backward non-interfacture and for thematic selecting of postmodern design principles that are content specific as short blue. Okay. Network, the trade is fed of sections 3 for more details, layered line speeds, processing many transactions and be heavy much for further clocks to the network are regarding to latency is often stable translona optimizations and indefinite thinking likely to fall. For hobbytic acquisitions, peer informations, everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Fun Beauty for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ayabishan, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Prophylactics exceptions for confronters. Their conditions 24 are popular. Why to not notify their about their transactions inflations UX for the lead user separately splitting dates, rounds, blocks, times, block size, etc. Performance-based dwelling while squanning the bin, the fox of the great deal of parts of the traps 25 we propose performance-based squanning as we approach and reaching tier nations for the lasting leverage application specific one king application specific working in AWS 26 two messages of the lasting layer application specific one application specific ones and 26 emerge as a potential environment apps greater can replaced by optimizations to their specific needs. We to give applications control of MEV chapter and sub-point relation, latency optimized transactions, routing at apples. We want to minimize the last shop. The last shop is my this is much while sequence the lens via paid infrastructures as well. 1.4.2 return the reader is referred to section 5 for more details. GSVM design principles towards their compute. A self-improving return the latest infrastructures leading performance guide optimizations is a time-honored papers in modern run times and the optimizations completion system journal at class and owning effect patterns using referred bleeding. Computational applications demonstrates that the apps of programs are lately simple computational based can be used as a process of the compute near larger students and IC moving data comparing and researching and users latency 27 hybrid concurrency of spot transactions discovers known infractions while numbers of claims in app amount by discerning funding level and scientific to hardware model of optimal and prismatic continually hotspot hardware and often shoulders utilizing utilizing hundreds of cores relating in computational known infrastructure stunts as this address of both CPU and GPU cores and quality all alpha as neighbors borrowing demanding selling 1.4.3 this test base database that the reader is refund sections refund section 6 for more details this case is examined one cells they were changing as the cost of cold from disk quite Blockchain data cases for fetching matching amount that are wasting time. Hotspot, our profile, NVMe, Ariback, and sporting data. Non-infrastructures given that different computational hotspot can be dynamically limiting codes that strong device area as work change. Everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. Hardware calculated double SD single account stable database at Alpha or Oracle is moved from the DB. This database 28 used to Solana on one that sought in much more aligned with the blinding hardware. Okay, paper organizations um, figured for context analysis on technical blockchain, the number of accounts between and the 100 result in the financial designs in TPS and does not and does not depend on the number of users and their available account of RAM, taking full advantage of the available performance first state commitment for light clients while Solana does not do stake marketization by full and support light scale as such plants CPU or GPU courses without finally computing performance. 1.5 paper organizations the structures of the mandate. This is document as follow. Section 2 discusses of transactions conditions of operations for better applications. 3 achieved layer throughout sections for tax operators. Five is a collection of similar optimizations that layer these specific legends. Solana. Section 6 design as the strong engulfing effectively according of lessons. Session 7 learns and design of the classroom of application while behind forms the articulations GSVM, ALIing and DEPIN. Finally, sections 8 consults the individual meme coin index figured 5 lots billing across that is government and primitive word sets for details. Number 2, two words gathered level of eliminations in these sections which extends to what is believed to be of the key areas of operationally that loop contains in result in several detained throughout numbers in the extents of Lions Beckmer 29. The language movement index performance issue is not just transactions is they have and real world select Solana ecosystem. The network acquisitions is Solana came in January 2025 is based in great detail by Hilux 13 period. Only before summary below the the Trump dollar and the Trump dollar and Elena tokens issued the network Memicoin DLMM protocol is the monthly liquidity Venus the Trump dollar Memicoin expanding so in value coming from under $10 on the morning on January 8 peak of 74.59 dollar the following day. Trump dollar award-winning transactions withdrawn promptly and mainly the piece of sold dollar DeFi limited $200 exactly 15 $15 below both following online based network with transactions and driving up the fees. Okay. The resulting conditions result in digging into the better performance during without trade engineering G2 and added using preferentially fees made jump it 5,000 known word transactions and 66% and compute multiplier block fill 15%. The intended be increased and the whole article 13 highlights to Grapple Exchange the event above, decentralized and changing at 0.5 which shows transitions with time average of elected in the chiefly appoint gate and 1C bearing and it over soul but 1 second, the working third of from having from and entailing pros retardant of many heads look word zero for doing all the work according will have without transactions process and ensue capacity at WTPSX point will come allows sounders stand 188 14 7 20 33 5 18 for 15 60 15 4 value out talent on Ajax meant to be likely on million TPS and looking more parenthesis Salona Falcon grades and publications as constitutes and accounts example of the conditional in parent is different approach in fractionations of in program the developer Acasis data that not is Acasis is fill file and reward programming often overlook transactions community we pose in spelling in emergent infrastructures of algorithm in opposite to what line speed processing from GSVM. This undershares is overall system load in the SVMP programming learning the locations developing hardware right while and optimizing currency at alternative to the cosmic currency of monthly there in fact would be checked for the potential effect. 29. This research is found relatively in currency sympathetic currency currency we read the numbers of jurisdictions to be scaled using a cases list and Excel to be feed data record field exchanging example transaction optimally near line rate transaction processing in Deming GSVM on goals to expose much of the handling advanced calculus can order some paying adjustments of the end lovers and lengthy effective throughout towards this band since spending for CVM by performance vertical computations handing to the work problems always GCM then filing transactions and transactions relations of code do quick anti-check guarantees will be refund inductions to what line speed processing for GCVM performance where fracture compare different combinations to ones 15.5 non-structures complement on FPGA from brands repairs and able comes to 35 Fan sugars variation. This is long mostly performing structures variations hardware for example 2032 shame due to it relevance to the SVM state perfecting with lending a review of the NIC for 100 contents. Friendly prefectures This actual a good example for us is layer optimizations with GSVM for performance station transactions are lower competitions that an IC can provide at linear rate speed. Rate speed, the first known deceleration performance which mostly in additional. We also indicating questions with variations quickly and specific transactions are to apply. Toward line speed crossing at GSVM intended desired disclaimers is achieve cases stop on givens. Smart and NICS and FPGAs for deleted examinations of this area, please see provides by Nickel L37 and due to L38 the conditions what helps advanced full design of this recent progress the designs GSVM. What the candidate shared and network performance they propose the express data path XDP as of label sphere check dispensant clears. Two words line speed parsing for GSVM. GSVM enabling for reference head working incoming contingently of NIC. This is common permutations used amongst their manufacturers Lonalold to 40 this kind of optical non designed the CPU, but also charter of this FXDP variants XDP. Control system on FPGA based NIC, let FPGA stream board and Nickel in gain key value data for splitting by blockchain applications such as towards line speed processing for GSVM. So that's manufactured for our cases in rear domains from staking labor L36 mod FPGA need based exceeding CPU baseline see that FPGA approach yields slightly load latency create and sue and IC fractures exactly eBPF XDP problems which are equalizations into FPGA can the local use ensure towards line speed crossing for GSVM effects comes one benefit phishing is allowing experience network task be executed directly in hardware test on X line for winning with merely 6.5% by amazing kernel variant in data plan operations that doesn't claim is a mailing CPU. This application is 20 and EPGAS and traditional CPU based back process latency and application traditional CPU based back process. Parity based ranking expand from highlighting skew locations is we limits happily Korea indexed allied executions models. Execution validations executions is executions pair performance to be moved to an ICS GSVMs. This also allowing CPU conditions performance based sequence building a new design for unlimited permission in developer sections. Avoidance is Layer 2 blockchain fault mine constraintial emissions is GSVM has transaction format is based with response trials and impact in performance operational through this parity based sequence and most L2 as L2 day is first come first served FCS FC first approach to transactions. A more factory data is by structure EVM, EMEV. This boast on Arabian, on Jetto, on Solana. Okay. This book introduced in captains of fast Solana heavy season short being is the control of the fast launch giving period counts of actions which only Jetto holds in questions design first 20 hundreds must of each block. Both learning nights of impressing culture sense privacy feeds. Transactions length compared to Excel 3 reliance of latency. Transaction set length. Performance is the in our squaring book as budgets why we cannot bluntly connect of EVM. RUT latency length should amazing for all transactions as policy for transactions with the conditions of network maximize recursive utilizations under conducting the system short explained CPU memory and 10 capacity lying scales relaxed ordering will paying high latency fees transaction fees and clouding hotspots landia Fugit said depending and transactions will multiply hotspot silence with Fugit's installations is multiply hotspots lands kernel portal each heading to optimizations conditions is this enables to optimizations is Solana does not pretty silent allotments hotspot islands the first important behavior went from GSVM that CPU cores and ADM EPYC and 1965 have 192 CPU cores application. And the second versions that being disclaimers the held shared. Locally Chiang fancy is less strict. Query based real time and scheduling such as design figures 8 where we have to signal to hotspots that execute. Parity based real time scheduling each island has a twin standard which not is tailored transactions is extending fast possible optimization transactions of parity. Result amount of data safely even fitting most of the contracting processes and the CPU charts and a mounting example consider seniors in period scenario used a pool AWM including having volume and panel of chain games and but lower fees moving and general eventing scheduled on a shared island. Activity on the AWM stations of many transactions with high quality fees. Banner scaling. Figure 9 an example of altcoin service queue with big trading games activity as leader fights for occasions. GSVM could register trading monthly as the traffic pattern changes, dynamics scaling the journal upwards island sequence all times to prepare for the rest of transaction actions. The Charlotte job on this island is big much for involved as it has to schedule transaction working and pen applications. We do not foresee this be a problem as a few hotpots involved in woven hotpots and BV. The limiting factors in such as the dining table cases are discussed in Sonation 6 construction, constructions, rebonding, consulting, and real-time setting with slow multiply. Multiply the world agree love single uh, with an include real is very shading consulting cost for tens. Dynamic dynamic selling allows to add the current alert network and services exchange uh, hotspot in islands provides known for fractures in genders and fractures with onward return to base price flyer sending and performance. Joint time considerations and figure 10 members of the Solana stations life cycle create analyzer. Optimization return to Geo compute. Each having that state relationship points and near interest crossing 3U to turn 3 and 4. Open return optimizations large initial plans of the transactions processing. Discussing our slaves to single approach, return considerations, the extensions of slow non-intentions, price of enhancing of one's gift, applying suggestions, similarly developments with of BNF first and average node probably health transactions following to participate coming worth the amount. Executions mode of rendering facts reach modes are built per second as alphabet for 10 comments and if successful chains are commuted of the banks releasing the account look executions model if Solana on chain data startup account the accounts AX utilizations where BPF no that's Solana bracket WASM of furthers accepted the self-in Solana 5.3 in Solana transactions are executed conditions of group into leader atomizations manual loop conditions and biotalk VM verifications and optimization and more private blockchain that finance their own executions. There have also been work relating Ethereum executions such as Convert 64 and GSVM as for further 6.3 Merkle 3 can live in forms go through sections 6.3.2 for more this approach layers and apparently impact application in running of Excel, EBVFP and SBF historical overview, BPVF behind computer 64 transactions as for single approaching is very EBPF vs SBF V1 conveying the core replacing EBPF and approaching about returning click SBF Product are different by Solana here at WTPS Gravecom. Travis Solana, Raf Village, Master Sir, SRC have RS, making it a target upgrade for Solana ecosystem is analyzing we love. Actually, in direct calls, exams jump to verify function addresses and mainly maintenance important sport and trade only data are executions model and CPI on longer sweeps and stability of functions enhance performance optimizations, backward completioning and marrying collect level and 6767 executions model frigate and compared performance of field various along with a stably simple calculator. Executions models can be defined. The altcoin strategy is similarly simple here. Allowing block BFP everywhere one key after of the Solana sections against is that programs that are 72 WASM SBPF for faster executions. There is good reason conditions replaying the Solana BPF. Although is no scale and naturally to move away from BPF with the WASM care performance for interact win executions model. Figure 12 in gamers name various expression chains and various may chain create hands at for interact calypse would output a expressions model. Figure 13 an example of performance optimizations of regulate for the method 75. Astar hardware sports altcoins the choice BPF is moved by performance. Better jets, although mine Amin and WASM was revealed code by living optimizing. I lower this approach also in time and memory overhead. Lower level returns inspections current paper that's 18 accelerate the developments of fast in place. Eventually, the funding by including WASM performance can and lower level central projections, receipt and optimizations. ISA raise 0 at WTPS is row come next you at WTPS next you XYZ and validator at WTPS www data foundational mainly a series yes there is for the movement blockchain system do. Not positive, the world average GPU from the program if one did however off-chain code would able relents of relents initializations and edge optimizations in transactions to as LPs, unikernel design as the furthers regard section 7.1 is spotting unkernel design, one approach that little furthers knew the movers involved of the underlying approaching system in legal concerns. These actions we have pointed a range of options that have do we improving to further count down on the optimized storage of gig compute. RISC-DB, the of achieve of the Solana delivered or blockchain implement key value stores and flash memory. This 94 depicts this project as not have different key value stores and flash memory. In recent ended major tape has been improving volume for compilation. Unclouding LSM tractor B trees and hash tables flash spot between a control gate and the channel of a CMOS. Key value stored and flash memory transactions the number of bit had referendum gets and store depends. NAND flash technology enables for computers of flash plus SSDs do not just holding in novel variation address 98.105. This allows the SSD to dynamic key value stores and flash memory. What is location is start a block. It also limits a need for the host of a few performance concerns and SSDs can note that the bin factly faster and other strong wide right amplifications, right complications, and WAS means red applications. Red applications means that the amount of device key value stored and flash memory in actual data is read more than the rest. This is red space space factly, and also be problem garbage selections, grep options are also problems, concerns about and rejections with flash storage and index data storage. Three of the most common data transactions used of index hash established um, politically read with the request as initial key value stores and flash memory of figure 14 transport of hot range 10 EAT 114 compound of other state and hash tables and approach element advisor range of with the address of their reference CPU codes completing the hotspot obviate at the uh, database layer. Database layer key value stores and flash memory in light of this above the introduced key values for called B-trees. B-trees are widely adopted tree data structures made in list. There is equal that nodes and leaves will index Key value stores and flash memory blocks which can wasted space and cache with multiply as the interblock still needs to be within 120 trees. The B trees, terms and traditional tree. The B tree should be accompanied by an AMQ like a key value stores and flash memory. During slender, the performance improves from convoy ETEL LMS trees of flash strongs without more than thread switch. An example for data structure is the long structures, key value stores and flash memory. Figure 10, these figures let and 12. 1. How is standards LSM trees and live LLDB 126 in Aquavi is WAL can be replied as it contact all things in order. Key value stores and flash memory. After running to add the WAL, in fact, the same data are written again, but learns to in memory table. When the memory table exchange hatching size is the kernel to and immediately table. This table in memory table is within strong is data can be moved a higher level is process known as complications. This is often invented by the use of AMQs such as volume selector. Some hardware support for KV LSM trees are forward for big flash storage because of the length of appends and active diffing. Improved by up to 2.0 to 1.13 responsive and custom hardware support for KV stores. Keving at all 113 introduced an innovative key value stores seller processing by merchant. Custom hardware for KV stores hardware optimization and the plus tree with achieved where has stable hot KV multi-tram and multi-tram double SD multiplications as double SDS or S double SDS data values host and 115 in MongoDB data is stored using is flex the custom hardware support for KV stores and native FTL sports and FTL map value address to physical and address 98 intently apparently based 10 tells users that custom hardware support for KV stores talent optimizations for background computation tasks and 138 Badwier Flash KVL 137 LOCS 103 Zone double SDS. The zone space ZNSSSD139 introduced and pattern of the Logitech Chural hardware spot for KV stores. Yesham 114 allows the monthly and update latency with host advice approach in trivial custom hardware spot for KV stores data in no data invest applications Scope DB, MongoDB and Shellhib near data processing the fatigue of moving the competition, increasing currency of data accuracy and trade 140 to 143 letting that chart had a table of the key process 142 and for third was 122 cabs dash data chairs these optimizations around the idea architectures debits and architectures debits play in intentional role and data structures in Atram. Atram has been referenced and first looks MPP is for cube base look up will make the introductory start proof MPTS grant communities and Polk dot records times in the Polk to network frameworks and eventual fair words key launch relations initial they are reflexively written alternates debates and the role of algorithms data structures structure as a Merkle trees and their various instances is the question Articulate disturb bass and tailor racing a sound T-double-E port and indexing data sound in dashly comment of link. Such optimizations QLB and SQLL needed endpoint links simulate blockchain transactions in depth unharmed database collapse security and light content is altcoins is action 15% of the total and this base is occasions time distributions block 144 144 the throwers also in dashly all and ML several opponent pairs issued as in fact slightly slightly improved LP lights with three utilizations, objective applications, domains. This is sections where scholars more and looks in different applications, domains that simply look behind A1 and AI and ML, trigger tanks and high-end GPUs, FPGA units, all and ML 2024 performance AVG thinking figure Allmine 2025 high schools match competition med competition performance metrics for LLMS this size of the contracts windows ML all and ML figures competitions of tokens parsing legal crosses different events LLMS model stored and during the inference stage. Agentic A1, one of the most extended applications of double LMs against AL 156, 159. On a given problems at WTPS WW data camp and call 37 son at WTPS intercom news calls 37 son. All and ML descent and equal the percentage check in unpowed expanding, scaling the ecosystem to larger markets and more containerized users. Gaming GSVM for translates A1, the computational domain for run physical a model return. A model design structures fine-tuning of models on chain gaming. There are multiply use feedback aiming and there are in between approach we will and enter SDKS added to liver. To liver getting along blockchain for a gaming using them for occasions for game doming double M ORPGE and blockchain historical element on chain for mislead player online. EG zero knowledge proof to ensure that gaming and figure 21 gaming performance metrics and traditional M ORPG SR values attacks changing and gain valiant multiplayer online game for a long time 167 gaming developing attack peer-to-peer uh, nodes are particularly caps could be behind through a highly scarce game strategic managed on chain matrix game services MMOPGES which optimizes with amazing loading DEP all end time and chance game active every through GPUS. Okay, GSVM from gaming from time based to real time. Today, most games largely limited to NFT and DEFI activities with partly for using gaining talk as select ETC. DEFN, DEFN decentralized physical interactions are sketching look like storage slowness. Defined factions monthly effects more suitable stands than convince for age points and 10,000 USDT. Case study Helium 168 is a network that underlies blockchain. Case study rendered PNP 002 170 highlight other concessions that were important to render define language supports most richer code interactions and transfers cost their point and transactions cost for 2000 with contact NFT composition software amazing politically and truly the bestly missions that the number GSVM for define selling physical transactions with real-time statement and competition across the project. Define the three mind and looks gain compute the define are this increase Define applications to provide near real-time settlement. Define calculations and numbers of source the Apple's blockchain can extend 100,000 TPS in table conditions. However, taking captured ALML on-chain infrastructures AL that use GPU nodes and gaming real-time on-chain worlds and define logger scales inverse networks that verify performance applications running on GSVM. Parents case and reference ML, Visma and Sonyan, Behat and one Caliph and Felsis and two Gwens Lupi and dark ideals participants. Taro scan optimizations. Dear Francis and month what TPS 2024 online available at WTPSW Montice. References KW Lee RK Zoha are statements at Suckles and references Jeffrey D. Sloan and C. Matrix on non-prem decaying. Deep pulsing PS enjoin K. Kashmir as price as Paris as others and Somiania. Represented and represents AL LSB as metal MA all better and PB summary and survey of each and cues of king STAC. This case is become and cues be better attempt in terms ball. GBGF was that then Perihance as NEG, region, dome, and blockchain a recurring momentum for the chance and hand double at PS Hawk IO and the log post is 2024 0816 running dump on blockchain electric momentum for Kiritno and Hydri 2024. Helium Health Turkmen Samgent Gate Helium A. MacPlux excellent in digital assessed is impression for NFTs. WTPS Implex come the log article digital assessed with comparisons for and for 2022. Athrams, Athram liquidity and dirham as 18 B dollar in Sat coin, 66 B dollar in TVL, and the second largest asset in crypto ETH with a market cap of 450 B dollars. Push on chain with Apple's DEFI gaming consumer DEFI 500 B plus dollar assessed on Ethereum, Ethereum gaming on chain, Trump words spin up on chain games in days. Game in days next Gen 2D against consumer 500K plus active there Ethereum address executing in Destiny layer compatible with our ecosystem. Optimized layer gaining and time to market EST transactions fee. Wild on Calypso report Calypso networks and Ethereum SVML2 combines and the best of Ethereum and Solana. It's where the most parallel amount executions relations made applicate upload liquidity news and addings introducing ES dollar as ES dollar is here the ES dollar token there uh, multiply for products produced it act as a gas token for the eclipse then a Visum national Wismermenkan as ES dollar Wilson Nebel 16.7 2025 announcement 1.7 2025 everything eclipse ED 11 eCalps Lona on Ethereum the best help is for AWS. The Everything Helps News alter will keep you up do data with all the news in the alpha ecosystem. Announcement 10.6 2025 Everything Helps ED 10 Helpment Solana on Ethereum the based roll-up apps that revealing at least news alter will keep you up to depends with all news in the Caliph ecosystem. Announcement everything Caliph is Sona on Ethereum. Caliph for apps the ever news from back keep you the news in the Caliphs. Backed by great investor angel dollar join the X Labs community be log at WHY Agnes contact careers Slona on Athram. FAQ Gate Launch Pool FAQ update on 06/29/2025. Question number 1. What is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative staking at airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT on other tokens to earn early airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for firstly capturing market operations. Join now. Question number 2. How can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? First log into your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Choose the project you want to participate in and stake your assets. Check the participation guide. Question number 3. Which coins can I stake in Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool. The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. Question number 4. How many tokens will be rewards? Only staking rewards individual latest 1 hour well staking amount, total pool staking amount, hourly reward pool. The platform will be multiply snap photo of personal staking amount each hour and take the average staking amount as the world staking amount. Question number 5. How are reward distributed? The platform will take multiply snap photos of personal staking amount hourly and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earning will be distributed into user spot account. Question number 6. When will the stake assessed be redeemed? After the user's redeems in the advance or the staking is completed, the stake assessed will be transferred to simple and by difficult. If this option is unchecked, the stake assessed will be redeemed into spot assessed. If the amount of redeem assessed is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple land, the assessed will be automatically transferred to spot assessed. If simple land does not support the claim of the redeem token, the assessed will be also be automatically transferred to spot assessed. Question number 7. Can I redeem my staking assessed at any time? The platform will take multiply snap photo of personal staking amount each hour and collect the well staking amount. However, early redemption 1 day. My result in the Lucy's awkward reward. Please maintain stable staking amount to users meaning rewards. Question number 8. Can I did additional stake assessed? You can increase your stake assessed at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your personal meaning rewards. However, once the rewards cap in reach, you will no longer receive staking rewards. Question number 9. Can I participate in multiply project at the same time? When there are multiply launch pool project going at the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new token meaning rewards. For multiply project, e-taking pool needs to be staking reply. If you only stake assessed in pool A, you will not be able to gain rewards from pool B. You can stake pool and B repeatedly to obtain the corresponding winning rewards of new tokens. Question number 10. What is the maximum winning rewards I can receive? The hourly rewards hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached on future staking, rewards will be guaranteed. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the winning page for the rewards hard cap limit. For each project, question number 11, will staking assessed the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No assessed stake in the gate launch pool will be launched in the assessed holding election for holder airdrop launch pool and VIP privilege. Question number 12, what will happen to my funds if the project ended early? In case of early ending, your stake principals will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your lasting in trust will be distributions of her and the end time. The interest distributions before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate APR, when the reward coin in the stake coin APR total rewards released in the last hour total stake 365.24 100%. Number 2, when the rewards coin is not the stake coin APR total rewards released in the last hour closing price of the reward coins of the last hour total stake closing price of the stake coins of the last hour 365.24 100%. The APR is an estimate and for reference only. The equalized return only finally received shall provide APR data is updated hourly. The next, how to participate in Gate Launch Pool. Update on 06/26/2025. Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn holy airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It's the ultimate platform of firstly capturing market operation stake to earn. Know how to join Get Launch Pool and stake to earn. Number one, log in to your Get account and navigate to Launch Pool app home. Launch Pool. We click Earn Launch Pool. Number two, choose the staking pool you want to join. Click stake. Number three, enter the staking amount. Click confirm and complete staking. Number four, view rewards in reward history after successful staking. How to stake to earn? Get Launch Pool. How to stake to earn? Get Launch Pool. Notes. Number one, please complete industry verification before participating in Launch Pool to enhance the security of your account and assessed. Number two, the stake assessed will be transferred to simple and by difficult. If this option is unchecked, the stake assessed will be redeemed into spot assessed. Number three, the will stake multiplies a photo of personal staking amount each or and you can increase your staking assessed at any time. Please maintain stable staking amount to ensure meaning rewards frequently asked question. The live stream is end. Okay, bye. Love is.